So what I'm going to do, just straighten her legs a little bit. Look at how strong you are. Have you noticed her turn your head more to one side than the other?
Not
Or
really. She's been lifting it. She's got good neck muscles.
Mo, do you notice her nursing or latching better on one side than the other? Here comes to a really light adjustment of her atlas. And she's going to startle. It's the sound of the instrument primarily, so she'll cry for a second and then it'll last probably 10 seconds. There you go. Okay. What was that?
Good job, baby.
Good job. Good job. So all I'm doing is just barely touching the LCC. So put her on her tummy for a second. Is she was born yesterday or the day before?
Wednesday morning.
Okay, so Wednesday morning, so she's 2 days. And she got all the meconium out?
Almost.
Almost. We gotta work on that.
Okay. How you doing? A little quick right here. Yeah, she's doing real good. That's it. Simple as that. All right, back to Dad. You go. Okay.